Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with AT&T Smart Home on Google Home, beginner guide step by step. To begin, ensure your Google Home device is set up and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Next, download the AT&T Smart Home Manager app from your device's App Store. Open the AT&T Smart Home Manager app and log in with your AT&T account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the device section within the app. Add your compatible smart devices through the app's interface. Now, open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. In the Google Home app, tap on the plus icon in the top left corner to add a new service. Select Set Up Device from the menu options. Choose Works with Google to find compatible services. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find AT&T Smart Home. Select AT&T Smart Home from the search results. You will be prompted to sign in to your AT&T account again for authentication. Enter your AT&T credentials and follow any additional prompts to complete the login process. Once authenticated, select the devices you want to integrate with Google Home. After selecting your devices, confirm your choices to finalize the integration. To check if the integration is successful, try giving a voice command through your Google Assistant. You can say, "Hey Google, turn on my device name," to test if your AT&T Smart Home devices respond. Your AT&T Smart Home should now be successfully linked with Google Home, enabling seamless control through voice commands. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.